How to fix Supermarket Simulator crashing on Steam. So first you want to go to your library and then right click on the Supermarket Simulator game, go to Properties, and then go to Installed Files and click Verify Integrity of Game Files and wait for it to finish this process. Now once it's done, you want to click on the Browse button and then you want to right click on the game's exe file, go to Properties, Compatibility tab, and make sure to check both of these options right here. Now you can click on Apply and OK, and then close this. Now you can try to launch the game to see if that solves the issue, and if it doesn't, here's a second solution. First, you gotta check the GPU update. So if you have an NVIDIA GPU, you'll need to download and install the NVIDIA app. And under drivers section, make sure to check for the updates and download and install the latest game ready driver. Once you install it, you want to open up your browser. So for example, you want to open up Chrome or whatever browser you're using and then search for redist like this and click on the first link to download the redistributables from here. Now scroll down till you see this table and download the 86 and the 64 version, both of these, and download and install them individually. Now once you finish installing them, you will need to restart your computer, and you will need then to open your Steam as administrator and basically try to launch the game again, and that should solve the problem. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.